Today, we're unboxing the RAYCON Everyday Earbuds. Let's open these bad boys up. So, RAYCON sent me a package. Let's do an unboxing. In the box, they sent us the Everyday Earbuds as well as a protective case. We're gonna unbox these and give these a quick try on and review and test them out to see how awesome these things are. So big shout out to RAYCON. If you wanna grab yourself an Everyday Earbuds yourself, I'm gonna link in the description below. So small, but with oh so mighty sound, okay? Clean design, clean packaging. And again, you might have seen these all over YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and I finally have my own pair to try on. So let's open this up. It's taking off the protective film. Okay, and the packaging is really clean. It has active noise cancellation, weatherproof technology, super awesome. Okay, so we can take this out. Oh, and once I open the sleeve, we get this card and we actually see the device. Put the device aside and see what's in the card. So power up. All right, and it gives us RAYCON Everyday Earbuds, basically a user manual on how you could use the tap functions on the side for volume control, answering and not answering calls, lowering the volume and all that good stuff. And then we actually have the device itself, nicely packaged in here. All right, and we're gonna open this guy up. Cool, I love the design, okay? Very small and compact. It can easily fit in your pocket, in your bag. There's a little light, I guess, to indicate how much charge you have. It charges with USB-C. Slim black design, I love it. And the actual earbuds, it says left and right, so let's actually throw them in. Oh, wow. Oh, it actually has some good coverage. The grip is good. Oh, it's on pairing mode. Okay, it actually fits in my ears quite nice. And I usually don't like the earbuds with the squishies usually, but it's actually not too tight or too loose. All right, it's not going nowhere. I guess we could do a little jump test. If you're running in the gym, it's not going nowhere. Playing tennis, play some golf. Yeah, that's awesome. These ain't going nowhere. Shake test. Awesome. Okay, now let's pair them. And the most important thing is seeing the sound. RAYCON Everyday Earbuds came up right away. Okay. Well, it's connected. Now, let's blast some tunes. Oh, wow. Sound quality is good. Let's try another song. Some classical music for when you're studying. Oh, it's clean. Very comfortable, too. Some Post Malone. I dig them, guys. The sound quality is amazing. And the fact that it has the sweat-proof and weatherproof technology, oh, that's so cool. Very comfortable, too. I hardly notice them in there. Obviously, I can tell they're my ear. And we see the controls. If I want to raise the volume, I guess I tap the right one. Cool. You can raise and lower the volume here. That's pretty cool. Okay, and if I want to pause it, I just double tap. Pretty cool. Okay, and then they have a bunch of commands on here as well. Like if you want to forward, answer calls. Okay, if I hold that, turns awareness mode off. I want to hold it. This ANC mode. And you can turn the awareness mode back on. Pretty cool, straightforward. I like the setup. The setup was so easy to just jump right in, okay? And the headphone actually goes inside like this. Wow, the quality is so good. Wow, I didn't really notice the noise cancellation until I took them off. Okay, sweet. All right, that's in the box. And then what else is in the box? We get a charger or anything? We open this tab. And then, yeah, we get some chargers in here. And some stickers. Oh, I love when they give us the stickers, man. I love when they give us stickers. All right, that's going on my sticker collection. And then power up your everyday. And then they actually give us a charging cable inside as well. Which is nice. I just hate when these headphone companies don't have charging cables included. Like, I'm supposed to buy that separately, but nah, this one comes with it, okay? So the first thing that I'm opening up over here, very terribly, I don't know why I didn't open up like a normal human being, is your different size of earbuds. So if you want a bigger or smaller, the part that goes in your ear, you can actually swap these out in here with the different sizes that are gonna fit your desired ear. For me, the ones that came in just fit perfectly, so I'm gonna leave it the way it is. But if you need smaller or bigger sizes, it includes in there. And then as well as a USB-C charging cable, so you can actually charge your device up. There we go. USB-A to USB-C. All right, there we go. And that's everything that comes in the actual box itself. But they also sent us a protective case that we're gonna unbox as well. I'm just removing the film. Okay, and okay, there we go. And that's actual design in there. Looks like this is, oh, a lanyard. That's actually funny. I would never use a lanyard. I think those are just a little bit too geeky for me. But if you want the lanyard to add to the corner of your case to connect to your wrist or whatever, it's there. I'm definitely not using this, but I will throw in the case. Oh, it's actually nice hard quality plastic too. Okay, cool. And obviously it just slides on as easy as boom and as easy as boom. And the case still opens without any problem at all. And now I have this nice concrete protective design to actually protect the headphone from getting scratched up easily. And it comes off and on pretty straightforward as well if you want to take it off. Guys, I didn't show you in the video, but it actually is double-sided tape where you can actually have it stuck on semi-permanently as well. So a little bit of grip and it's off and on, as easy as that. Again, guys, if you want to grab yourself a RAYCON everyday earbuds, definitely check them out in the link in the description below. Again, shout out to RAYCON for sending me these. I'm so grateful. Again, I'll be rocking these in the gym. I'll be rocking these on the beach. I'll be rocking these on my everyday with my everyday earbuds. All right, that wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys all in the next one. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.